Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a link tree on TikTok on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open up the Safari or Chrome browser and then go to this website called linktr.ee or Linktree. And then click on Get Started for free. Wait for it to load. And then in this section, you may now choose your username or input your username. And then place your email and then your password. Click on that box and then sign up with email. So, in this section, you are going to put your name and then choose your category. And then click on I'm not a robot. Click continue. Click on free and sign up for free. Click continue to my link tree. And then you may add a new link. You just press on that add new link. Click on the title, for example, Facebook. And then paste the link of your Facebook account. Afterwards, you just click on that share button on the upper right and then copy. Afterwards, go to your TikTok account, click on your profile or edit profile, and then on your bio, paste the link of your link tree. And then click save. And that's how you can make a link tree on TikTok on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.